One of the main, most important tabs in Fortuna is Preset Configuration. In other words, it's the brain of the algorithm. Here, you can precisely configure the algorithm's behavior separately for each targeting type. Let's start in order. Days range for ACoS for spend and for low traffic analyzing. Indicates the period over which the high ACoS, high spend, or low traffic algorithm will analyze placements to understand if they need optimization or not. Bid increase percentage. By what percentage relative to the CPC in the placement will the low traffic algorithm raise bid adjustments? Maximum ACoS. This is the ACoS level you aim to achieve through optimization. If the ACoS in the placement is higher, for example 34, then the high ACoS algorithm will begin its optimization. Maximum CPC Percentage. This is the maximum CPC that can be in the placement. It is calculated from the product's price. That is, if the product costs $10, with this setting, the maximum CPC in the placement will be $1.1. Minimum clicks. This is how many clicks a placement must have for the algorithm not to consider it as low traffic and not to raise its CPC. That is, if the placement has 1 click in the last 7 days, the algorithm will not raise it. If there are 0 clicks, the low traffic algorithm will trigger. Maximum clicks. How many clicks a placement must have during the analysis period to fall under optimization as high spend, after which the algorithm will reduce its CPC by 2 times relative to its value. In this drop-down menu, you choose which campaign type will be optimized by this preset. You can create settings for each type separately, and you can also combine several types under one preset. There are 3 types of presets. Performance is created to achieve the best performance for campaigns. Non-aggressive settings should be applied to it. It is aimed not at the quantity of traffic, but at its quality. Boost preset, which differs from performance in that it has a low traffic boost button that launches the low traffic algorithm every 4 hours. This preset is designed to achieve the maximum traffic level, meaning every 4 hours the algorithm will raise the CPC in the placement until it reaches the min clicks value. Custom does not differ from Boost in functionality and was created to provide an opportunity to test and experiment with different algorithm settings to find the best values for future use. Right in this same tab, you can configure the algorithm for finding negatives. It has only 3 fields. Maximum clicks indicates how many clicks a search term must have to be considered negative. In this case, as soon as a search term gets 8 clicks without sales, the algorithm will suggest adding it to campaigns as negative. Exact or negative phrase. The same logic works with Maximum ACoS. As soon as the ACoS reaches the set level or higher, it will be added as negative exact or negative phrase. And if a search term has 10 sales or more, then regardless of its ACoS, it will not be considered negative.